Welcome to KRAFKITA. My name is Nini from Benang by Nini. Today I'll be showing you how to embroider these roses with leaves. Our theme for today is floral, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Materials that needed for us to embroider this rose is firstly the cotton fabric. You can use cotton linen. This one is calico fabric. Next is the hoop. You can use hoops like plastic or bamboo hoop. And you will also need the embroidery thread. And you will also need scissor, needle threader, needle, most important one, heat erasable pen. Firstly, we need to unscrew the hoop, and we are going to put the smaller hoop at the back and put the fabric on top of it. And we screw it back and make sure the fabric is taut. When you tap it, it's like a drum. But first, we need to draw a pattern. For this rose pattern, I am going to use a 20 cent because it's a perfect circle and 5 spokes. You can go with 3 or 7 as long as it is odd numbered. And then we are going to go with the leaf. Just simple one like this. So now we have to turn it around. Unscrew the hoop and turn it back like this. It doesn't have to be something like this. You can also embroider on your t-shirt, on a tote bag, or on your cap. Anything is perfect for it. Now it's time for us to thread our needle. And then usually I will cut it like my arm's length like this. It is also an embroidery needle with large eye and sharp point. It is perfect for beginners. This is a needle threader. First, you need to put the wire inside the eye of the needle. Put the thread in the wire and then pull the wire. So the longer one and the shorter one. So you need to tie one end with a knot like this. Just twist it and pull. So now you have one with a knot, one without a knot. Firstly, you need to start from the outer edge of the circle. And then you go into the center. Like this. Just follow the pattern. There are a lot of types of embroidery thread, but I love using DMC embroidery thread because of the quality and they offer a lot of various color. So you just have to do it like this, and that's it. Now it looks like you have like 5 spokes. And then you go near the center, but not the center, just near here. And then you pull it out, and then what you are going to start weaving the over and under the spoke. So if you skip this part, you have to go under here, and then you go over and then you go under. Make sure not to pull the thread too tight, or else it will be crumpled in one and it won't look nice. Okay, if I'm almost done with my thread, I will just go and tuck it behind like this. So as you can see here, I haven't finished my roses yet, right? So it's okay. What we are going to do here is we are going to tuck the leftover thread like this. So we can go under it a few times, or sometimes you can make a knot. If you don't want to go tuck it in, you can make a knot like this. So if you want to make your woven wheel stitch beautiful, you can fluff with your needle. Use the eye of the needle and then fluff it out gently like this. So the stitch that we are going to go with is called satin stitch. The first part is that we are going to go up here. It is similar to fishbone stitch, but this is a different kind because instead of having a spine between here, we are going to go down. So we are going to go almost to the bottom, but not really. And then instead of going into the same hole, we are going to go a little bit under. And we are almost done here. And the last step is I would want to erase the marks here, because if you can see closely, I can still see the pen mark. So what I'm going to do is I will use a hairdryer. And as you can see, There are no more visible.
This is the final product. I hope you can follow through all the steps and share it with your friends and family, or make it yourself at home. Till then, see you next time. Bye!